He was born at the edge of summer, when Cancer tends the hearth and guards the flame with hands of water. In him, the sun speaks of home and fierce loyalties, of an intimate need to belong to a tribe, even if that tribe becomes the theater, an inhospitable set, or a director asking him to walk the razor's edge. The Cancer Sun gives him emotional memory and the gift of seeing every role as kin. A villain turns familiar, a saint falls without caricature, a madman glows with tenderness. The moon in Virgo is his meticulous craftswoman. There he orders the unruly, polishes gestures, fine-tunes silences. This moon invites discipline, the constant trial of detail, the devotion of rehearsing until the movement breathes on its own. With it, his characters aren't declaimed. They are inhaled. It's why he can inhabit the exhausted soldier, the scarred scientist, the lighthouse keeper who speaks to storms, and never lose the inner structure that holds the delirium. Mercury and Venus in Cancer turn his words into touch and his desire into shelter. He speaks as one who offers refuge and listens as one who keeps confidences. That submerged softness lets a shoot of humanity sprout even in excess. Love of the craft and of his people is his compass. But Mars in Leo lights the engine, a solar will, theatrical and generous, able to take a stage in a single step and burn it without asking leave. Jupiter in Leo amplifies the blaze, watering his career with grand wagers, cult directors, and roles that demand risk and a mask. The heroic and the monstrous share a crown there. Saturn in Scorpio taught him that real power is surrender, that control is born of moving through fear, that darker gravity lets him descend without melodrama, sustain intensity without breaking, and use pain as a working tool. Uranus in Cancer broke with tradition to found a home in the avant-garde. Neptune in Libra gave him a taste for the stylized, for rare beauty and a shared aesthetic pact. Pluto in Leo lent magnetism. When he appears, the air rearranges. And when life pushes him on stage, he remembers his ascendant in Aquarius, the face of the singular. He arrives like a luminous outsider, a step ahead of his time, and from that strangeness, he moves people. No one mistakes him. They recognize him. Deep down, he is a man who turns the extreme into tenderness and the domestic into ritual. Deep down, he is a man who searches in every role for a home where the world can breathe again.
Okay, let's take a quiet moment to feel. Close your eyes. Inhale. Exhale.